Hi guys, so today I am so as you can see by the title, I am getting something done to my teeth. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and get braces. I went ahead and I made my decision on where I'll be getting the procedure done. So what's happening right now, I am going to go there for my consultation. So yeah, I'm going to get the quotation or the estimate for my procedure and schedule my appointment date to get it done. I don't know how fast this process is gonna go. I don't know if there are gonna be any delays, but I'm taking you guys through the entire journey. So yeah, we're gonna head out now, we're gonna head out now. So I'll see you guys at my consultation. Also, if you're someone that's like watching this video because you're going to go through the process or whatever, I would advise, like, when you're selecting where you're going to get it done, that you really and truly do your research, because for one, I'm not talk about no outer road, not like expect say or not go look at reputable dental offices. But what I'm saying is kind of shop around to get the different quotations to see what ballpark the price them then. I understand, because some of these prices, so that's my little advice. Just don't go to the first place and whatever figure them say work with it, because just shop around and see what's the best option for you. All right guys, so update, I went and I did the consultation. They told me that I need to get an x-ray done before like we can get the process started, so she can be sure of what exactly the situation is like, since I'm obviously missing two of my front teeth, and that is a genetic thing. That's something that I have. Oh, fly reaching here, please come out. Come on. I have a little friend. Anyways, what did I say? She can be sure of the situation before proceeding with a treatment plan. So I got a referral to do x-ray, and that's exactly what I did. The x-ray cost $12,000, and the impression that I'll be required to do to start the treatment plan costs $15,000. So it's not just the initial money that I had bargained for, but there are a number of additional expenses. So I got the x-ray done. From when them tell me something for extract my wisdom teeth, and I don't do it, look on it, twist up and turn up in the back of my mouth. Jesus, and woman tell me say I forgot to do 2 extract, like I have overcrowded on my bottom row, and she forgot to go 2 teeth. What? So this is what the x-ray is looking like. Let me just so you guys can see it properly. So I'm just going to get everything done today. This is what I bargained for, to get this aspect of things done, and the next time I would go back to the office would be to get the braces done. So I'm going to head back now, and I'll see you guys after the impression is done. I think I wanted to video in there when I was getting the x-ray done, but they said no videoing our photos, so I had to respect that. And so so I'll see you guys in a few.
Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing.
In the end,
traveling around.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I just got my impression done, so she is gonna work on my treatment plan. my mouth feel like a plastic kind of, the press down kind of hard, but I made my appointment for next week Friday, so I have 1 week to eat all the food I love, because my love like things we have to chew. I am so sorry, and I know that it so I'm going to head home now. That's all the braces stuff that I'll be doing this week. So actually, this is a week before the vlog is supposed to be like this. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the other clips. Alright guys, so it is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Yesterday I went on the road. I went to Fontana, and I've been watching a couple TikToks and like stuff that you need when you get braces done. I see them say a couple stuff. I never really know the names for ask for them yesterday in Fontana, but the only thing I asked for oral gel and them never have it, but them give me this. It's like a substitute. It name Sheffield instant toothache and oral pain relief. Them are cut grass, so no probably you can hear that in the background. But yeah, that's the only thing I got. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I booked a teeth cleaning for Wednesday. If you know I keep up, like you would know somebody clean my teeth in January, and that's where this tooth got pushed out, and I was really upset about it. But I got my teeth cleaned in January, so I'm due now. Say 6 months past, we're in June. And the orthodontist told me that I need to get a cleaning before I get the braces done, and I'm getting it done Friday, so I'm gonna decide to book the cleaning for Wednesday. So I'm going to be doing that on Wednesday. So that's the next time I'm going to be seeing you guys, on Wednesday. I'm going to wash my hair, I think tomorrow. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to plait it up. Come like that like a vibe. I'm like that like a hairstyle for myself. I'm going to plait up my ear. And yeah, I want to get some board bead, but I'm not sure. Even if I don't get it, I'm still going to plait it up. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Wednesday when I have my teeth cleaning APT. Alright guys, so I just came back from the dentist. It's now Wednesday. I kind of have to rush out this morning, so that's why I wasn't able to catch any clips. Plus it was kind of hard for me to like vlog when she was cleaning my teeth, because I made it all the way back and I couldn't really reach my phone, and my abandoned dark glasses so I couldn't see, and you know the whole works. So yeah, I got my cleaning done. It was pretty quick. I think it was either 15 minutes, somewhere around there, 10 to 15 minutes. So I had my appointment to get the braces for Friday, but then there was some mix up in the calendar, and they called me and told me that they had to reschedule the appointment next week Tuesday. So I'm going next week Tuesday instead of Friday, so that is why the vlog is delayed. I know it was supposed to be up from last week Monday, but obviously Monday passed and I still not get the procedure done, so I'm gonna post, right? So yeah, I'm getting it done on Tuesday. That's my porridge. Yeah, I'm getting it done on Tuesday, so that's all I have left to do. Like, I went and I did my cleaning, I did the X-ray, I did the impressions, I did everything. So the only thing left for me to do is actually do the bonding. They call it bonding. So yeah, I'm nervous because I've been told it's very painful for like the first week. So as I can see, I go buy the oral gel and whatever, and I go buy. So I already have painkillers, but I'm going to buy Tylenol specifically because that's what I hear people recommend. So yeah, let's see. The next time you guys will be seeing me will be on Tuesday. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how I'm going to look. I'm so nervous about how I'm going to look afterwards, but let's see. Alright guys, so it is a Monday and I'm going on the road to do quite a few stuff. Right now my first stop is going to be at my shipping company so that I can collect my glasses then I'm going to go ahead and do something else, and then I'm going to source a nice juicy burger because today is the day before the appointment. But I can't really chew so well during the first week, and I've been craving a burger, so I was going to satisfy that craving today. And yeah, I also have some stuff to do when I get back home. Also, guys, a week sale will be coming. You guys are seeing this on next week Monday, so a week sale is going to be happening on Friday. I already posted the flyer on Divinity Glam. However, it's only going to be a few weeks because it's only going to be the weeks that I have. So yeah, if you really want it, yeah. So I'm going to head to my shipping company to collect the glasses. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I should have collected it from last week. Well, the timeline of this vlog is so messed up, so it doesn't even make sense for refer to another date. We're talking about here, we're talking about no make a collect glasses, So let's go. Guys, so my for catching up over there, so because the glare from right here, it's looking very terrible. It's looking very terrible on camera. Open the can see me properly. So I got the glasses. It just came in this liquor. I used them teeth just because it was $60. Them charged me $4,800 for clear this liquor box. Yeah, still cheaper than it, but it's for buy it out here though, so I'm not complaining. So excited. I'm so ready to wear this. I'm just gonna start wearing it right now. The only thing is I never get no glasses case, so I'm gonna have to use one that I have at home. I might print my prescription, put in there. Let's see how it's looking. Oh yes, I wonder if it's too big for my face though. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Oh yes. You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big fast car. Oh wait, look, it's too big. It's too big. Prescription is perfect. Is it too big? I don't think it is. Prescription perfect. Alright, look people, I don't know, I can't see myself in like one big mirror, so I don't know how it looks, but I think it's a vibe. I like it. I do. I forgot to myself now one big mirror first though. But yeah, I'm going to head to the other stuff that I need to make, and then I'll see you guys after that. Yes! Loving the glasses. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I love these glasses. The fun they up on me because trust me, today feel like, you know, when fire burn and you go near the fire, the heat just a push off on you. So that's how the place feel like. I don't know. It feels like we're officially in summer. Well, it is summer, but you know, it feels like today feel like the first real day of the summer heat. But I came home like I called Swan to show her my glasses because I was excited. You know what the girls I'm a favor? Show me favor him. If you watch Proud Family, you know him. Tell me if she's not disrespectful. Like this show me this arrow. Talk the truth. Talk the truth. I got love. Like my glasses is cute. It's giving body B. It's giving rich and not talk. It's giving dolly. Don't play with me. My glasses nice. From day one, she tried time about my glasses in her. My glasses at Uvex. Yeah. But yeah, I took off my nails. I never did tell them, but I take them off. I may take a little break because they feel sensitive. Like they kind of hurt when I touch them. So I give them some time for regroup, get back to their body B selves. but two of them really want to do like I just, like when you're upset mindedly, I do something, maybe I pick off all the gel polish, I never realized. So one of my told them I have one band-aid because I strip off the whole of the polish off of it. And I wore sandals on the road and I didn't want anybody to see that one of my toes were like not matching the vibes. So I put one band-aid on it. So I figure, I think I'm going to probably get my toes done today or what? Sometime in the week. But I'm going to leave my nails alone. Cause I can't take the little sensitivities. Like if I press on the tip of them, they might hurt me. I mean, I'm not really like a nails girl, I just since recently I start like put them on back to back. So I don't know for that. My body not used to the hot girl festivities, so I can get a little break and then go back to that. But yeah, my sister Wendy's have a new sandwich. I wish I knew that it was launching today before I went and bought what I had, because then I would have tried it, because I'm not gonna be able to try it for a little minute, but we move. So yeah, it's coming down, people. The time is crunching. Well, I have to take a little break a while ago because my shoulder that hurt me. But yeah, one thing I hate about having a black vehicle, it gets dirty so easy. Like you drive 2 seconds and it dirty up. Like I don't like seeing dust on it or anything. That's besides the point of what I'm trying to get at. It's coming down to crunch time. We have less than 24 hours to go. I am very nervous, but I have my painkillers. I have my oral gel. We're at Girl Top, y'all never flop, y'all. We can do this. We can do this. What is a little pain? It's nothing. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. And I don't know what I'm going to eat before I go, because when I know I say, like, well, I have to eat a big breakfast. But I'm not a breakfast person. I will throw up if I try to eat too much in the morning time. So I don't know. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna catch you back in the morning though. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is Tuesday, it's the big day. I'm dressed in all black because I'm actually going to a funeral after my appointment. Nobody that you guys know. It was one of my basic school teachers. She passed, so I'm paying my last respect. But my alarm did not go off. And I suppose I jump up out of my sleep 3 minutes before the alarm go off. Come here, say no man, I sleep suspiciously long. And end up said the alarm never go off. I don't know why, I don't know how, because I checked like 3 times that it was set. I'm going to head out now because I have to stop and get gas on the way and stuff. So this is it. This is the last time without metal in my mouth for right now. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm not even gonna understand how I'm nervous. Oh, I should go and take a painkiller. Thank Jesus, I remember about that. So this is me. It does feel a little weird. It doesn't feel as weird as I thought it was going to feel though. I wasn't able to get them on my back teeth as yet because I have the extraction to do. So she did say chewing was going to be pretty easy for me. It doesn't feel weird for me to talk or anything. It just feels like, I don't know. It just feels like something up on my teeth. She said when I come the next time, I'm going to get the appointment. I'm going to make the appointment to do the extraction once everything is looking how it's supposed to look. I'm really nervous about that. I got a teal, like aquamarine type of color, because you guys know blue is my favorite color. But I have to, I'm late to the funeral, so I'm going to head out now. When I settle, I'll talk to you guys. I couldn't video, but I'll talk to you guys about that when I settle. So I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so I'm home. Yeah, as I was telling you guys, the orthodontist didn't feel she didn't want me to video because she said it's distracting to her, so I wasn't able to film the process. However, we're here, and I mentioned to you guys in the car that I got this stuff. It's going to take a while for me to get used to talking. Like I don't sound weird, but like the opening and closing of my mouth, it's pretty new to me. Feels very weird to me. But I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got. So I got a on-the-go toothpaste. I got on-the-go toothbrush. I got a normal toothbrush. I got the interdental thingy that I was telling you guys about. It's like this is how it looks, and you push it in between the wires and stuff to get out any extra food. And I got the wax. Yeah, I had something to eat. I'm not feeling any pain right now. It just feels like something is on my teeth, but it's only 3 hours after, so I'm not looking forward to feeling anything. But I know that as the day progresses, it's going to get more sore. So I have my things though. I have my things. But I ate some chicken and rice. I'm going to actually finish eating it. Wasn't bad. It wasn't hard because I didn't get any rackets on my back teeth on the bottom row, because as I told you guys, I'm supposed to do an extraction. So after I do the extraction, then I'll get the brackets placed for my back teeth, and then the eating will give me a little hassle. But as of right now, I don't have any problem with eating per se. Like, I obviously can't, like, my teeth feel weird, so I can't like chew. But you know, the eating, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. I'll give you guys updates for the rest of the week, and so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I made the executive decision that this vlog is going to end today. I'm going to take you guys on the road with me. Don't worry, it's not going to end right now, but I want to leave it at teeth, and then I'll just vlog the rest of my week for the next vlog. I don't really want to mix up, you know, my regular vlogging with this vlog, so I'm just going to leave this at teeth. So it's day 2. I'm very sorry. I realized when I was editing, I was watching back the clip and I was smacking a lot. I'm so sorry. It's involuntarily. I'm still getting used to it, so if it's annoying, I'm so sorry. But it's day 2. See there again, cannot help it. I'm so sorry. It's day 2 and the pain is not, I don't know if I tough or what, but I'm not feeling any pain. I did feel some sensitivity when I woke up this morning, like only in 2 teeth. I have 2 teeth that are completely rotated, and that's this one right here and this one right here. So I was feeling a bit of sensitivity in those when I woke up this morning, but I'm not feeling any pain. Like, I feel like I could chew right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get some food, but nothing extreme or nothing, but I feel like I can chew. I'm not feeling any pain. I can still feel like them feel weird, but it's not like pain, you understand? So yeah, when I watched other people get it, they were like, oh my god, that them can't function. So me don't know if I just me or if the pain not kick in yet, but I woke up and I felt the sensitivity. Honestly, I got my teeth whitened at a dental office, at my dental office that I used to do my cleanings, and trust me, that pain there did add that this I have nothing on that, and it's not even pain. This is just like tenderness. It's not pain. When I got my teeth whitened, I was afraid to eat. I was afraid to open my mouth. I never want nothing regarding my mouth. I just never want it. I just, please don't make me have to talk to you. Nothing. It hurts so bad for like a good 3 days, and then when I got the trays to continuously whiten them at home, it hurt. So I feel like because I experienced that pain whatever sensitivity I'm feeling right now, it feels like nothing to me. I don't know, but I'll update you guys as time go along, which you'll get in my other vlog, because that will be a continuation of this week. So yeah, but as of right now, I'm not feeling anything, but I'm going to go on the road. I want to go to Fontana because my hand is shaking because my shoulder is hurting. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going on the road now to get, like, I am always chewing gum, so I'm going to get some sugar-free gum because the gum that I have definitely has sugar in it. I'm going to get some more lip balm because my lip feel like Sahara Desert all of a sudden. I don't understand why. I'm just going to get some stuff, like, I don't know, I always go Fontana for my monthly little pep up, my cotton pad, them, or something them. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll catch you guys when I'm there, because my shoulder is behaving like I'm a senior citizen. I don't understand why it's hurting me this much. So I'll see you guys when I am there. I'm still getting, I don't necessarily like how I look with these. Hold on, I have to switch it on real quick because I don't understand what's going on. Yeah, I don't necessarily like how I look with them. I think it's going to take a while for me to get used to it. I don't know, but yeah, whenever I wake up with no cut up cheek or nothing, because one of them up here so did stick me last night. I'm gonna put the wax on it before I go sleep, so I'm good. So yeah, I'm gonna go on the road now before school over, because school traffic is the worst. You guys know this. I'm always saying that school traffic is the worst. So let's go. Yeah, so quickly to haul off what I got. Alright, so I'm gonna just get one little to-go mouthwash. I'm gonna get some more of this because I only got one and I feel like it's disposable, so I don't know if it's disposable at least, but I think it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna just get some of this. I got one more of this because I buy one about 2 to 3 months ago, and normally I'm not done them so quick, but the one that I have is almost finished and I only have one. I need to mash up my routine, right? So I used to have like one in the bathroom, one in my purse, and like one just a layer around like the room. But the one, when I only have the one, it kind of throw me off because if I leave the house, I think say it there in my bag, but I probably leave it in the bathroom or the room. So I didn't need to forget one more. Got it. I got some sugar-free gum because honestly I can't do without. I don't know. I just love to chew. Ah! What here? I just love to chew gum, and I also got some mint. They make sugar-free as well. Some Altoids. So yeah. And scrape the manicure. And scrape the manicure and I try to earth and go. And the man I make him go in and what you idiot then? Not mean people's business. Anyways, cause a white vehicle you can't even see so. Oh, the day so hot, bomba! I gotta try get something to eat and maybe get some nuggets. I think I can't angle some nuggets. Honestly, I'm sure I feel like I can't eat that. But just I go tear it up and eat it. But yeah, that's all I got. That is all. That is it. Nothing exciting. Nothing too much. But yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat right now. So I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back in at the place. The day is super hot, so the fan up on me, so I'm really sorry if the noise of that I got bother on me, but like made other one 8-piece nuggets and I was only able to eat 5. And that's just because how long I take to eat the 5, my belly full, and well, I eat 5 I eat, no 6. I ate 5. It wasn't bad to be honest, it's just the wires getting in the way and stuff, so I tear the fries with my front teeth and everything. It's just getting used to chewing with the wires in my mouth. Still not feeling a pain. A little bit of sensitivity when I bite down, but it's not painful. The lady did tell me that it's going to just be discomfort, not necessarily pain. So I guess I don't know. Maybe it's so command. I don't know. But yeah, I just leave it at a tree till when I feel hungry again. I just snack on that. But I think this is where I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog. It feels so weird having, you know, the little girl from Nemo. Where did I Nemo from? Because them said she had a fish killer. You see that something that she have outside her mouth. Like, I don't know what it called. I don't remember the proper name for it right now. That's how I feel with my top row. Like, it feel like one wire just they block my lip from fully closed. That's how it feels. But other than the discomfort of having him, I know say like after 2 weeks or something you get used to it, but it's very weird. But yeah, comment down below if you guys were surprised by me doing this. I want to see how many of you guys were surprised. I want to see how many of you figured it out. And funny story, I didn't realize that someone had said in her last vlog that, oh my god, look out for my next vlog, and she didn't know that I said that in my last vlog. Said, oh my god, look out for next vlog. So everybody swear things, say me and the lady plan something and it we are gonna link up or do something together or some mess. But it was completely individual. That was just a coincidence. I didn't know that she said it, she didn't know that I said it. Two different things. If you didn't watch her vlog though, I recommend that you 100% go and check it out. She posted it from last week Wednesday. Super proud of my girl, because if anybody knows our story, you would know that, listen, far where I come from, Swan used to rush home to a zinc slash board house to watch Sister on cable. That wasn't even legal. Never hear that, right? So to transition from that to being invited to a dinner with her, I'm not gonna lie guys, I shed a couple tears when she first got the invite, to when she went there, to when she took the picture with her. It was just like a full circle moment, and I mean, I know it just, I'm so proud of you, babe. But yeah, complete different thing. So yeah, let me know if you guys were surprised. It was so hard for me to hide it for basically the whole week. I told like 2 people, and they were, well, one of them never shot, because one of them she used the same dental office that I used, so I'd asked her about it before I went there. So yeah, but my other friend, she was shocked. She was like, what the hell? So yeah, this is where I'm end the vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I didn't want to add anything else other than teeth stuff, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, just walk safe, bathe, brushing the teeth. I mean, nothing stressing them. Go to bed early at night time, wake up early, be productive. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.